Hey guys, Heaven up here. Today we're going to show you how to make a homemade airsoft BB gun. Alright? I think it's awesome. I tried it out and it was like, wow, actually got a couple bruises on me from it. But today you will need a medicine bottle like that. And then you would need a pen. Alright? And one more thing. You'll need BBs. That's all you need. You probably use like the 6mm, the soft BBs. That's about it. And alright, let's get started. You'll need a bottle, okay? And the centerpiece right there, you need a hole. One hole in the center and one hole in the back part. So you drill a hole in the center part and drill a hole in the back part. Then you're going to need a top, okay? You will need to take that pen and pull it apart. Take it all apart. And you will just need this. Alright? And you would have to see? And the centerpiece, take that and you put it right in the center. You gotta have it tight so you can't get any air out of it. And we're like that's basically all we need, okay? Alright guys, that's all we need. Alright? And then see? Alright. Then the last thing you have to do is take the open part where you hand the hole and put BBs in there. Take these, a handful of BBs, like that. Put a hole on it. Alright, see? I say you put a lot in there. Like if you want to have it standing up, you have to have like a lot. And you guys can fast forward while I do this. There we go. See? Oop. So you could drop out. It comes out. Then we're done. Just like that. Alright, hold on a minute. There. See? That's all we need. See? Ready? And you can do it like that. I think it's awesome, guys. Ow! Ah! So you go like that. Ow! Gosh, it freaking bruises me. Alright guys, and that's how you make an airsoft gun in like 30 seconds, alright? 30 or minutes, whatever, but that's not that much time. Alright guys, so there's a homemade BB gun. Do like 20 at a time, right? Yeah? Alright guys, and that's how you make an airsoft gun. So, thanks for watching, and subscribe me. Comment.